Hi everyone, my name is Nick, and I'm here today to guide you through some of the latest smart grid technologies North Bay Hydro has to offer. Let's start at the Merrick landfill, where smart technology is used to convert garbage into electricity. This is a pretty amazing project, and I'll let Todd explain how it works.
Smart grid is all about using technology, some of the latest technology, and we have all the latest technology in here today. So the garbage from North Bay, from residents and citizens and the businesses, makes its way up the landfill here, and it releases methane, natural gas. And we bring it down to our facility here, and then we move it into our engine. And in our engine, we burn it and produce electricity. This facility, 2012, took 30,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent out of the system. That's the equivalent of taking 6,500 cars off the road for an entire year. That's wonderful. So not only is it smart, got great technology, got a long lifespan, it is an environmental winner, and it's made in North Bay.
Pretty cool, right? Now you might be wondering, how does this electricity get into our homes? Well, have you ever seen something like this before? This is called a substation, and it's the next part of the smart grid we're going to talk about. This shows how North Bay Hydro is using the power of technology to provide better information and better service. Take it away, Matt.
So a substation is an electrical area in town where we transform the voltage from the bulk power system down to the distribution system where it goes out and feeds a specific part of town. Also in a substation is where we have our protection devices. So when there's an issue on the line, those breakers open and clear the line of the fault. We can get all the information real time on what's happening at this station. So we can know the loading on the transformer, we can know what the voltage levels are through the station, and we can know what the currents are. So before this station was rebuilt, we didn't see anything at this station. We'd have to send someone out. Now we get that information real time back at our office, so we know when a breaker's open. We get an alarm, it tells us that a breaker's open. So now we can look at the problem, understand the problem at our office. We can even troubleshoot from our office. We can try to reclose the breaker and see if it picks back up. And it eliminates the need for someone to come here to find out that information. The smart grid and the smart technology are definitely making the product more reliable and better for the end user.
So this kind of technology, along with the smart meters, help us track our up-to-date electricity usage online, so we can know exactly how much power we are using at all times. I'll let two of my friends, Umar and Darren, explain some of the benefits this creates.
We currently have over 20,000 smart meters deployed, which means that we now do not have to send out people to read 20,000 meters every single month. We are able to wirelessly access data at customer site and bring that data directly into our billing systems and bill customers more effectively and more efficiently without having to send people out to read meters on a monthly basis. The meters transmit data to North Bay Hydro in real time, which means that customers now have the ability to take benefit of the cheaper electricity during those times and use it more efficiently.
You can key in your billing period of your current bill and see where your usage has been day to day, hour by hour over that period. You can also look at a rolling 30-day window or an entire year of usage. It graphs it in different colors so you can see the different billing periods, and overall you can see the kilowatt hour consumption that you've done and keep tabs on items that you may not be aware of consuming power. And it gives you the opportunity to shift your consumption, shift your usage from on-peak to off-peak hours, and you can see the differences in the dollar values on your bill.
So not only are we creating a smarter grid, we are also creating smarter consumers. Speaking of smarter consumers, when it comes time for you to buy a car, you'll probably have the option to buy a smart car. This is the final technology we'll discuss today.
So smart cars or smart vehicles are currently emerging in the marketplace. The electric vehicles are environmentally friendly and they allow you to charge electricity right off of the grid. But not only could you charge electricity off the grid and use it to drive, but at times when you're in your home and there's a potential power outage, an electric car can feed power into your home during a blackout. Now that's smart technology.
You and your family can check out North Bay Hydro's website to learn more about the smart grid and the benefits it can have for you and the environment. Just visit www.northbayhydro.com. Thanks for watching.